Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two ERP tools. First one is Odoo and the second one is NetSuite. First we will go through some pros and cons, then I'll tell you more about these two products, and at the end we'll compare price plans and also we'll try to find out which one is better. So let's start away with Odoo. Odoo is an online software suite that lets users better manage and run their businesses from ERP to CRM or e-commerce to CMS. All the Odoo apps are integrated within the system and allow users to fully automate their business processes and reap the different benefits and enjoy a lot of costs on the administrative processes and add-ons. Odoo ERP has several apps on its platform that give users the ability to track and automate everything they do. Online, centralized and accessible from anywhere with any device. The platform consists of a unique framework with elegant and modern technical design, giving users an unparalleled user experience. Odoo provides excellent flexibility to users. They can add apps according to their company's growth, adding one app at the time and not rushing the execution as the need evolves and as the user's customer base grows. Users can select and pay for the apps they need separately, with add-ons costing the extra as per the need. They are offering also the 24/7 online help desk, and also the Odoo is meant for the small, medium, large and freelancers as well. You can actually install it on Windows and Mac and also use it on Android and iOS. So it's very nice to actually operate and very easy to make an integrations through, for example, Zapier. When we check the CRM, you can check all the discussions, calendar, contact, CRM apps, and also there's a setting button. In a discussion, as you probably thought, you can start then chatting with your employees. Then we have a calendar where you should go according to your plans. And yeah, it's sometimes freezing, but let's try to restart it. Yeah, and that's the UI for Mr. Odoo. So let me just check the activation protocol. They need a new password. And let's activate the database. At least they are thorough with their safety, or they are taking safety measures. We can at the moment check the pricing, and as I said before, you can actually choose between all the bundles that you actually can basically order from Odoo. So you are starting with one user, but you can go higher. Let's go with comfortable 5. And at 5 users, you pay 60 euros or 75 if you want to be billed monthly. Then you just pick what you need. In case of CRM, then invoicing, sales, inventory, and at 8 apps, you pay additionally 66 euros. So totally 116 euros with 10 euros discount. If annually, it's 1.4k almost. And that's a very nice way how you can basically micromanage your expenses. But let's talk about Oracle NetSuite. NetSuite is one of the market leaders when it comes to providing accounting services. Built-in flexibility, scale up, spin off, add up new models. NetSuite's flexibility lets you do it all quickly and easily. With every NetSuite upgrade, your configurations and customization migrate seamlessly. Commerce-ready ERP, your core business system now becomes your customer-facing commerce with a customizable, customer-specific, pixel-perfect experience. Innovative business intelligence, real-time analytics in the NetSuite user interface. Users know what they should be doing and how they're helping the business, with vital business data displayed from right within the system. They are also meant for all kinds of businesses and even offering 24/7 live wrap. So you can call the supply 24/7 during the business hours you reach out. We can pick the solutions very easily and learn more about the NetSuite. It's hard to make the pricing model because it's a part of Oracle conglomerate, but you can take a free product tour. You just enter your initials or your basic informations, and they'll provide you with access to their features. There also, if you try to basically go with them and decide to go with Oracle NetSuite, they will tailor the option for you if you are interested, or you'll be interested in what you'll find in a product tour. In that matter, despite this little fail, I strongly recommend Odoo. Odoo is very nice since you can really pick the right features for you that you can go on to. So you'll be paying only for what you're about to use. And also, you can easily try it for free. And from time to time, obviously, you have to excuse that it doesn't work. At least in the trial version, I believe that in the normal one or the paid one, it will be okay. But it's the first time that I actually experienced problems with Odoo. I'm not very familiar with the UI files of NetSuite, but I believe that it's on the same level because it can happen. Their servers may be too busy or something. So, in my opinion, Odoo all the way. And if you have more questions about these two tools, please leave them underneath the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and see you at another one. So have a good day.